Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this newspaper, daily newspaper of Monday, April the 4th, 2022. In this additional, I've already solved one Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic I will do later, and now it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes. Actually, there are 6 extra puzzles in this additional. I won't do them all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And so I've decided to solve half of them. 3 out of 6. And this is the second one. This will be number 4359. 4359. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. A double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. Well, need to compare, I think. Need to compare. Yeah. All right. Yeah. One, two, three. Okay. Well, here, this one is almost the same as that one. Look, 001111 empty box 1 and 00. Yes. So these 3 O's are the same place. If I place the O here, well, I have 2 options. Place the O here, then this cannot be an O. Well, I cannot place. Can I place the 1 here? Yeah, I can place the 1 here. So 2 options. I need to wait. How about this column, the first column, and the 4th column? 11000011 empty box 0011. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. And now you can compare with this column and that column. So now it's almost the same. Here we have 0001. Here also 01. So these 2 digits we need to switch. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. compare again. Yeah. Need to compare again. But yeah, this row and that row. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, a lot of comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.